Hello, good evening, and welcome to a hot and tired Hlspwns world. So if you've watched my previous video, you would know that I'm going to bring up the subject of Xbox PC Game Pass. Now if you don't know what I'm talking about, you must have missed all the marketing currently from AMD with their new CPUs and GPUs. But let me just refresh your memory. Let's go all the way back to the 9th of June. Let's watch this.
And over 30 games premiering in Xbox Game Pass.
Please welcome Head of Xbox Partnerships, Sarah Vaughn.
Our mission at Xbox is for you to be able to play any game with anyone, anywhere. And we know for many of you that means PC. That is why last month we announced Xbox Game Pass for PC. Today, the Game Pass journey on PC begins. Now, PC players can discover their next favorite game with Xbox Game Pass. We have curated over 100 games just for PC, including favorites like Imperator Rome and Football Manager 2019. And for the first time on PC, starting with Halo Reach, the entire Master Chief Collection. We are thrilled to share that Xbox Game Pass for PC launches in open beta today.
Whenever you're ready.
Are you game? Are you game? I'm down for a little competition. Got sweat dripping down my temples. But this power is something fundamental, though. I can feel the hum and the rush of the crowd. I can hear the claps and the noise getting loud. What you gonna do when the clock runs out? The time is now. The time is now. Do you wanna play? What do you say? Are you game? Are you game? Are you? Do you wanna play? Are you game? Are you game?
Xbox Game Pass for PC is here now. Try it out by downloading the all-new Xbox app on Windows. And if you want it all, we have created a membership just for you. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. You get everything. Xbox Game Pass for console with over 100 great games, Xbox Live Gold, an unrivaled gaming community, and now Xbox Game Pass for PC at no additional charge. And because it's E3, everyone can jump in and play today for $1. Now go discover your next favorite game.
World premiere.
How about that then? When I know something's good, I don't need to be told twice. And what I've actually done is retired my Xbox 360, went out and picked up an Xbox One S for £30 from Computer Exchange. Yeah, I know that face. If you remember, I traded in an R9 Fury X, so with the money from that and £30, I got myself an Xbox One S console. And I've also got the Xbox Ultimate Game Pass, so I've now got the PC Game Pass. And with Windows 10 rolling out update 1903 to people who haven't downloaded or installed it yet, you are now able, as you was just after E3, if you installed 1903, to install the Xbox Beta app and get your hands on all these glorious games. And it all sounds brilliant and too good to be true, doesn't it? And sadly, that's where things have slightly fell down. Only slightly. I'm still absolutely behind the Xbox PC Game Pass. I'm still absolutely positive about it. Gears 5, Halo on the PC, Microsoft Flight Simulator, a lot of the new games premiering on Game Pass. If you are a gamer and you love games, you're crazy not to pick this up. And if you didn't know, before I move back to PC, well, I'll restart. Now, if you didn't know, in my very early days of PCs, I had Ataris, then put my own PC together in a wooden box, and then consoles came out, and I was with consoles until I saw Unreal on a PC. I moved to PCs, so the Half-Life era, and then pretty much when all that ended, I moved back to consoles. I was playing Gran Turismo and Forza, went through Forza eras and decided I wanted more from a racing simulator, ditched consoles, come back to PCs, and now we're sort of going full circle. I'm going to be doing consoles and PCs together. When the brand new Xbox launches, I want to get my hands on it. Very, 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 very interesting and good things coming between the Xbox console and the PC. But going back to where and what I was saying, I've installed Windows 1903, I have installed the Xbox Beta app, and I've run into some problems. And I'm not the only one having this problem, and this is so disappointing and so annoying that ever since Microsoft has gone to Windows as a service, we constantly get patches that are breaking stuff, patches that don't fix stuff but break something else, and Xbox app being in beta, being £1 for the first month. Some might say, well, yeah, we are the consumer testers and we're going to have issues. And if you wasn't aware and you are going to be looking at the Xbox PC Game Pass, I just want to make you aware of what the problems you could run into. Now, because I've installed various versions of Windows on top of each other, apparently when I installed 1903, the update screwed up permissions within Windows. Now, how should this affect any of my machine? It really doesn't. Not noticed anything else until I've come to install the Xbox Game Pass. Now, what I need to do, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to load up the Xbox Game Pass and just explain what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the Xbox Game Pass. On the left hand side, we've got all the games that I've downloaded and the games, some of which I've been playing, the games, some of which I want to play. But here's where that issue with permissions comes in. So some of the games, and I'm going to show you here, we can join the Gears 5 tech test. Play it now. Okay, so the tech test obviously is a multiplayer test, and I need to install the game to play, so why not? But before we do, I just want to bring to your attention this little bit of text here that says administrator approval required for installation. Well, that's not an issue. Let's go ahead and install. So I'm going to install the Gears 5 tech test. Yep, we've got 733 gig free space. Let's install. Well, blow me. This is a live video, and where not so long ago that didn't work, now it is working. Okay, how weird. So let's just try something. So it would seem Microsoft is somehow attuned to me making this video, and as I've been sat here and recording this and getting these clips ready, it has started working again. Now I kid you not, I wish I'd screenshot this, that at the start of me setting up for this video, when I clicked download, I got an error code come up. And I was going to go through the error code, but now it's working. Hopefully Microsoft are sorting this out for everybody else. And this video has ended on a positive. So, from a video telling you about the problems with the Xbox Game Pass, I've now made a video with the Xbox Game Pass working. Not what I'd exactly planned, but hey ho. So hopefully going forward, the next time I reboot my machine or I go to play, this is still going to work. I get the feeling that it may not, as I've been experiencing. But on a positive, while it is working, there are some great games to play. I need to carry on with Metro Exodus. I've got the Wolfenstein series to finish. I've got Hellblade there I want to play. I've got Prey. I've got Forza Horizon, which I've got with this. I've got the Lego expansion. I'm now installing the Gears 5 test. It is good times, people. Very, very, very good times. So, thank you for watching in what has been, for me, an odd end to the video. And I'm going to try and get more content out to you soon. If you are a regular of the channel, you know that any time I seem lately to be getting a roll on with the content, real life throws in lots of things that I'm just having to deal with, attend or go to, or do stuff with the kids that are stealing my YouTube time. But anyway, I'll do my best. I will see you soon in more videos to come. Very, very soon. Anyone say a flight to Goodwood? See you in the next one.